Prepare the fabric and roller support. Unfold your fabric and ensure it's wrinkle-free. With the roller support already attached to your machine, thread the fabric roller. Two, load and secure the fabric. Place the leading edge of the fabric onto the cutting mat of your machine. 3. Adjust tension and enable auto dragging. Instead of manually dragging the fabric, refer to your machine's manual and activate the auto drag function. This allows the machine to automatically feed the fabric as it cuts. When material dragging is done, it will lift up and leave the fabric. Now we design pattern in software or import file from computer. Suppose we gonna cut floor mat. Usually it is rectangle with chamfer. Now we design pattern in software or import file from computer. We set width to 50 cm and height to 30 cm. Now we set chamfer. Click draw, set parameter, then OK. We will copy this pattern to get more. The pattern quantity is decided by the material width. In X, we set it 2. In Y direction, we set 5. Distance of every pattern is 2 to 3 mm. Now, double-click here to change the layer. For floor mat, usually, we use rotary wheel to cut it. Change its cutting speed to 1000 mm per second. Click download to Oh wait, we click output. Change material feeding enable parameters. Command it can cut for several times. Here feeding times we set 3 times. Feeding length is decided by the pattern length automatically. Now we click download to transfer the command to machine controller. Click OK. Now we move the red cross light to the coordinate we wanna to cut by clicking X, Y key on controller. Then click frame key to check the cutting area, ensure the cutting area is within the material area. Now, we click frame. Check the red cross light is always within the material area. Watch the red cross light carefully, ensure it always within the material area. If everything is fine, then click start key to start cutting. It will drag the material automatically when the cutting is complete. When dragging is done, it will start cut again automatically. You can put a material collection box here to collect Cutting pieces. When the cutting work is done, it still stop automatically, and move head to origin. Sales at omni-cnc.com